The Flatiron Building, located in New York City, is an iconic and unusual structure known for its distinctive triangular shape. Despite its relatively modest height of 22 stories compared to the massive skyscrapers surrounding it, the building has endured as a symbol of the city since its completion in 1902. Its unique design, resembling a slice of cake or a flatiron, has made it a favorite subject for photographers, tourists, and filmmakers over the years. The building's history began when the Fuller Company purchased a small, awkward plot of land in 1901 and hired architect Daniel Burnham to design a new headquarters that maximized the available space. The resulting 22-story steel and stonework structure, originally known as the Fuller Building, featured an unusual triangular footprint. Construction was a challenge due to limited space, busy New York streets, and changes in the city's fire codes that promoted the use of steel for structural support. As the building's frame rose, it attracted the attention of onlookers due to its distinctive design, characterized by a sharp top corner and a slightly wider top and bottom. The building's design was influenced by the Beaux-Arts architectural style, which incorporated classical elements into modern skyscrapers. The building's aerodynamics were carefully considered, and its steel frame was built to withstand high wind loads. However, gusts from the north still caused windy conditions on the streets surrounding the Flatiron Building. The interior layout of the building presented some challenges, with tight office space and slow water-powered elevators. When the Flatiron Building was completed in 1902, it faced skepticism and was even dubbed Burnham's Folly. Despite its rocky start, the building gradually became an iconic symbol of New York City and a popular tourist attraction. The name, Flatiron Building, stuck, and it became synonymous with the district of Manhattan where it's located. Over the years, the building housed various companies and tenants and was designated as an official city landmark in 1966. It received National Historic Landmark status in 1989. However, the building has been vacant since its last tenant, Macmillan Publishers, left in 2019. Renovation works triggered disputes among the building's owners and future tenants, leading to a court-ordered auction in 2023. The auction took an unexpected turn when an unknown buyer named Jacob Garlick placed a winning bid of $190 million. However, Garlick failed to make the required down payment. The auction's unusual rules allowed participants to bid without providing a deposit, raising suspicions about Garlick's motives and possible connections to former owners. The announcement of the conversion of the Flatiron Building in Manhattan from empty offices into luxury residences is indeed a significant development in the New York real estate landscape. Here are some key points about this project. 1. Conversion process. The iconic Flatiron Building, known for its unique triangular shape, will be transformed into approximately 40 luxury condominiums or rental units, with retail space remaining on the ground floor. This conversion process is expected to take around 3 years. 2. Ownership history. The building has undergone a series of changes in ownership and was subject to auctions and disputes in recent years. Ultimately, real estate developer Jeff Gural, one of the partial owners, acquired the property for $161 million in May 2023. 3. Developer involvement. The Brodsky Organization, a well-known residential real estate developer, has bought a stake in the Flatiron Building and will lead the conversion process. This includes reconfiguring the building's staircases and elevators and transforming its interiors into luxury homes. 4. Housing demand. The Flatiron Building's conversion reflects a broader trend in New York City, where there's a growing interest in converting vacant or underutilized office spaces into residential units. The location of the Flatiron Building in a vibrant and highly desirable neighborhood makes it a suitable candidate for such a conversion. 5. Affordable housing. The project is not expected to include affordable housing units for lower-income households unless New York State changes its laws or provides incentives for developers. There have been discussions about property tax breaks for buildings with a percentage of units designated for lower-income residents. 6. Citywide initiatives. Mayor Eric Adams has unveiled plans to rezone parts of Manhattan, including Midtown South, to encourage new housing construction and the conversion of commercial and manufacturing spaces into apartments. These efforts aim to create mixed-use neighborhoods that promote living, work, and play dynamics. 7. National and federal initiatives. The Biden administration has also shown interest in converting commercial buildings into below-market rate housing, particularly near mass transit, to address housing shortages and repurpose vacant office spaces. The conversion of the Flatiron Building is a prime example of how iconic commercial buildings can find new life as luxury residences, contributing to the ongoing evolution of New York City's real estate landscape. It also aligns with broader urban development trends aimed at making better use of existing infrastructure to address housing needs. This building's recent history and conversion are likely to help make it even more legendary.